I understand life. And I get more joyful. But we grow rough and grow wicked. No man can tell me say God no real, brother. Me and you gotta have things, bro. Faith are the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen.
That's biblical.
Sometimes you think life deal with this hand, but I better hand out the fear.
Right.
So we have to stand up strong and know say, yeah, we have to do the right. You know what I mean?